Hello my dear students, how are you? We are going to talk about the past perfect tense and the past perfect progressive tense and the difference between them. Unit 1, Lesson 2. We use a past perfect to talk about an action that was completed before another action in the past, and the first action is in the past perfect and the second action is in past simple. For examples, the train had already left when we got to the station. The first action, which was completed or happened, is the train had already left. The second action in the past simple is we got to the station. Second example, I had lived in Saudi Arabia before I came to the USA. There are two actions in the past. One in past perfect, lived in Saudi Arabia. The other in the past simple, I came to the USA. I came to the USA. We use the past perfect also to talk about an action that was completed before a specific point of time in the past. Again, we use the past perfect to talk about an action that was completed before a specific point of time in the past. He, for example, he had finished the project by midnight. Midnight, specific point of time. So we use past perfect. Had finished. Formation. We use had plus past participle. Had plus past participle. Safe had left the house by 9 o'clock. Safe had left the house by 9 o'clock. Time expressions such as already, ever, never, when, just, by the time, after, and before. Again, already, ever, never, when, just, by the time, after, and before. The past perfect progressive. It's almost the same idea, but the first action continues. For example, I had been living in Saudi Arabia before I came to the USA. We use a past perfect progressive to focus on the duration of an action that was in progress before another action or a specific point of time in the past. For example, he had been living in London for 10 years. We focus on the duration of an action for 10 years when he moved to Paris. Time expressions. We use already, since, before, when, by the time, by, how long, after, and for. Practice. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Ali, space, the fence for half an hour. When it started raining. Ali painted, had painted, had been painting, was painting. We use for half an hour duration, so we will use past perfect progressive. Had been painting. Number 2. Ahmed, space, the building by 8 o'clock. Was leaving, leave, left, had left. Yes, had left. Last one. Last year we, space, swimming every day. Had gone, had been going, went, were going. Last year. Our talk in the past simple, so we use went. See you soon and goodbye.